We treat our minds like a master, but it was only ever meant to be a servant. Now, the servant has locked the master in a cage of endless noise. You aren't overthinking, you are simply lost in a house that doesn't exist. To find clarity, we must first learn to walk into the darkness. Most seek the light by adding more lanterns, but the ancient secret is found only when we extinguish the flames of desire. Imagine a muddy lake. Desperate to see the golden pearl at the bottom, a traveler splashes. He filters, he fights the waves. But the more he struggles, the darker the water becomes. The master didn't give him a tool. He gave him a seat. Wait, the master whispered. The mud only settles when the hands stop moving. The golden key is this. You are not the noise. You are the space in which the noise happens. Be the lake. Let the mud fall on its own. Subscribe to the Golden Cipher to find your own stillness. The noise is fading. The clarity is here. Stay in this stillness and listen to the truth behind the silence. Silence is not empty. It is full of answers. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. Muddy water is best cleared by leaving it alone. Just let it be. Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges. Find your center. Empty your cup so that it may be filled. The soul knows how to heal itself. The challenge is to silence the mind. You're the sky. Everything else is just the weather. Peace is a journey. The secret is to step out of the noise. Everything you need is already within you. Just listen. Now, just be.